Yeah. Lagi ka na lang. Sumama ka na sa iba. I'm shy. I'm I'm simple girl and not a keringke.
Not ka ng kuan, not
Not
a woman for
shosho.
everyone.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm always alone, not
Like always working
laglag,
work
not work.
hard.
Not,
Hardworking.
I'm hardworking and not
Not always going out.
yeah,
Like
not
you're a
yeah.
homey person.
I'm
Housewife person.
my home and my wash the plate and wash my clothes. Yeah, that then
Can you wash your partner's clothes?
yeah, I'm wash always and every morning.
Wow.
I'm before you go work, I'm wash a cloth and wash a plate.
Long hair?
Yes, guys, I like tattoo, especially in the shoulder. Yeah, because tattoo now is art. And then long hair, it's okay. I will make it ponytail.
You make
Yeah.
a ponytail.
It's okay, no problem. The important of the guy is
Personality.
yeah, their attitude.
Yes.
Yes, the attitude is the important of me.
So whatever they're chubby or skinny, no problem.
Never mind. But the important is their attitude.
Oh, okay. Attitude really matters, guys.
Yeah. Attitude is really matters. Attitude is my number one career.
How about jealous?
What?
Jealous guy.
I know, just go jealous. I don't like.
Jealous guy. No.
Yeah. No, I don't like jealous guy because that is bad. Every day's making like that.
So you just want a free from that.
Yeah.
Do you like a bald guy, long hair? Bald guy or long hair?
Asan ba?
Bald guy like kanang
Like that?
bald guy.
Bald.
Bald or long hair?
No problem. Any kind I don't
You don't mind.
you don't mind. Most important your attitude and not I'm jealous.
Not jealous, no jealous guy.
No jealous guy because
It's a problem.
no
It's a problem.
my sometimes jealous because you love me and I love you.
But what if they're still in their 30s? No.
Yeah.
No.
No, I don't like below at my age. I like the same in my age or above, older than me.
So do you have any limit for your guy?
Yes,
Under
no, until
until
until 58.
58?
Can I carry that? Or 60? Can I carry that? But not
Not
but I don't like younger than me.
Okay, how about you, Ate? Do you like a younger guy, younger than you or older than you?
I like older than me that because no problem. Most important you love me and serious and no mind no matter on 60 above or 70 I accept because I love you.
Ay, sana all. Okay.
Yes, guys. Listen me. Money is not matter of mine. Money is not matter of mine. I know how to find money. But the most important is to understand both of us.
Like there's understanding between the two of you in the
Yeah,
relationship.
yes.
Huh. How about you, Ati? Money matters to you.
No matter money because I'm hardworking and I
You
need
can support each other.
yeah
As long
and
as there is a
yeah I want serious and I want a husband
my
and my life.
Okay. Guys, did you hear what they are saying right now? Like, they want a real husband, not just always keep promising them that they're coming to Philippines because I love you and I miss you. But they want a real one, not just like over in the internet. Because they're already in their real age or in this certain age that they're looking for a real love because no matter how old we are, it's like we always wanted to have a companion. Yes. So I'm so glad that they actually part of this interview on my channel, guys, because I'm really having fun. And if you're really watching this until the end of this video, actually, yes, it's very fun, and then you really get entertained in this too, and you can really tell how genuine they are looking for a real love. So if guys, if you are like if you're on their status and their shoes, like you can really feel like yes, this woman's really not not just into for us because of money, but because they are looking for love. Yes, serious love, and not just play whatever they want. So how do you feel after this interview?
I'm happy.
Are you happy? Do you think you can find love in the future?
Yes,
Yes, 100%.
110%.
110%. How about you, Ate? How do you feel?
Yeah, for the first time in my life to interview
Yeah.
interview like this channel it happens in my life at my age of 53 now.
Wow.
So guys, uh, I want to be serious. If you want to really me or really marry me, you can visit me here in the Philippines and we will meet each other.
Wow.
Okay? And then, guys, be sure that you are good, you are not scammer. Scammer is very bad of me. I like, yeah, I like serious.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much, everyone, for being part of this interview. And of course, I would like to say thank you to our viewers for watching until the end of this interview as well. And I am so glad, guys, that I able to do interview this woman.